Hi, are you ready to kickstart your PHP coding journey? In this video, I'll show you how to set up and run PHP in Visual Studio Code effortlessly. Whether you're just starting or looking to optimize your workflow, this step-by-step guide has you covered. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Let's dive in. To run PHP in Visual Studio Code, start by downloading and installing PHP from the official website. Choose the Windows Download option, select the thread-safe zip file, and once the download is complete, extract the files. Move the extracted folder to your C drive and rename it for simplicity. Next, add the PHP executable to your system's path environment variable. Right-click on this PC, go to Properties, select Advanced System Settings, click Environment Variables, find Path, and edit it to include the PHP folder path. Now verify if PHP is installed on your system. Open a command prompt, type the following command and press Enter. If PHP is installed correctly, you will see the installed PHP version and other details. Then open Visual Studio Code, go to the Extensions view, and install PHP Intelephense and Code Runner. With that, you're all set up to run PHP in VS Code. Stay tuned as I guide you through each step in detail. First, create a new folder and open it in Visual Studio Code. Inside, create a file named file.php and paste your PHP code. Once you're ready, simply click Run to execute it. It's that easy. That's it! Now you can run PHP in Visual Studio Code with ease. If this helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next video.